So it's been officially 9 years since this device was released, and this is one of the videos that gives me that nostalgia because this is a very old device. It was released back in 2012, and this is the beatspill 1.0, the first ever beatspill to be released. And this was a popular device back in the day. You could see very many NBA players using it, very many teenagers had it, and also had a lot of crazy adverts like the Nicki Minaj advert for her pink Beats Pill. And yeah, so it was pretty popular, but nowadays, it's 9 years later, obviously, not many people used it. The most common one right now is the Beats Pill Plus, which was released in 2015 by Apple. So let's take a look at this classic old Beats Pill 1.0. So a bit of context is that I went home over the weekend and I found this laying in my room, and I thought, let's do a retro tech video about it. That's why I have this. I got this in 2014 as a present, and it was one of my favorite tech products that I have. I don't use it these days because it just is in my room, and I thought we'll give it a quick review about it. So it's about 20 centimeters, around 7.6 inches in width. It has a height of 2 inches, and it has 3 ports on it. It has the aux in port and the aux out port. Also has the micro USB or the USB type B port that you can use to charge it. And yeah, also has a few buttons at the center. At the center it has this B logo, but it's also a button. Once you press it, it's when you start pairing it using Bluetooth. It uses Bluetooth 2.0. And yeah, if you press it, there's a little indicator right here with the Bluetooth sign, and once it's paired, it will stop blinking. Also has the volume up and the volume down button, which don't feel that good while pressing it. They don't have that good click, but that's just a minor thing. But yeah, it does the job. And also has the power button at the back right here. Talking about the design, as I said, it looks like a premium device. It was a premium device. At the bottom there's this rubber strip that acts like a stand that does a pretty solid job. Because it keeps it stable, and it is also written Beats Pill and has a bit of information at the end, and it looks really good. Also, it feels really solid and premium. It isn't shaky, or when you shake it you can't really feel anything. But it also has this metal stuff that is protecting the speakers on the inside, but they are not really as strong as you think, because if this slips down and it falls, I've had that case. That's why mine has this bend spot right here. This metal part can easily be removed, but you can just put it back in and it will click easily. So it won't be removed every time it falls, but that's just something to know, is that these metal parts aren't as strong as much. It also has a playtime of about up to 7 hours if you use it at 50% volume. It charges for about 3 hours to 100%. And once you charge it, is that I've noticed that you can use it for a few days. If you don't play it for 7 hours consistently, you can have it for a few days without charging it, and it will pretty much do the job. Once it's connected, it has a Bluetooth range of about 30 feet. So that's a pretty long distance if you have it playing. Talking about 30 feet, let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality is not bad and it's not that good, but it's good. If I'm using it in my room, I feel like the sound quality is just good, just what I would expect, but it's missing out on that extra bass that you would expect from a speaker. But it has 4 speakers in the inside, and they are really small, so you will understand that it doesn't have that extra bass. It is really loud, especially if you're in a room. I've read reviews on the internet that the sound quality on this is bad, but my take is that for the price that this started at, the sound quality is not good, because it started at $199, so that was a bit pricey for the sound quality and volume that this has. So at $199 right now, you should definitely not buy this for $199. It's being sold for cheaper prices right now. You can get it for below $45. So that's my take on sound quality. It also comes in this case that really feels good. It is really strong, and having bought it in 2014, and right now, as you can see, it's not even destroyed. It doesn't even collect a lot of dust apart from the parts where it's made of cloth, but these other parts it's just clean. That's really something cool about it, and you can just easily carry it around in your bag, and you won't have to worry about the speaker being destroyed. And I really like this bag because it really feels good. I can't show you the unboxing experience because I don't actually have the box, but in the box there was also the aux cable, the micro USB cable, and the USB adapter. So I don't have them right now, obviously, because I don't even know where they are, but you can easily charge it as long as you have the USB type B or the micro USB cable. So all in all, this was a fun product. I wouldn't recommend that you buy this right now. You should definitely get they're actually better speakers right now. If you specifically want these, you should get the beatspill Plus, which started at around the same price as these at $199, but it's 2022. You can get it for way cheaper right now because it was actually discontinued by Apple. So if you still have this, leave a comment and tell me your experience about it. I have a few other old products that I have, so click that subscribe button just below the like button for you to see those reviews. If you're interested to see another one of those similar videos, this is a 2014 tablet that I reviewed. If you can use it in 2022, so click on the video on the screen to watch that video. My name is Ian Duncan. I do tech related videos, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Peace.